Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pink Butterfly Planner, and I PR for LilAnnanellesPlans, and we're doing a collab with the Galentine's kit, me and some of the PR girls, and answer a few questions. So here is the kit, and as I lay my stickers down, I will answer the questions. So, let's get started. The first thing that I like to do is see what all I have here. And I like to just, kind of lay it out. And I always kind of set it up the same. So, first I'm going to do my to-do list. And so what I will do is I will use one of these stickers so I can write to do. And then I'll get a check-off list. And I love those bows. And the good thing about LilAnnanellesPlans stickers is if you don't lay it down just right, hers are removable. And I love that because I get so frustrated at myself when I mess up and then I'm trying to pull up a sticker and it pulls the paper off. So that's great for that. And then the next thing that I like to do is do a meal plan. So I'll get one of these, and I like to use my Tombow brush pen to write out my categories. And then I'm going to pick one that's got the Monday through Sunday. And put that one down. And then the next thing I like to do is PR post. So I will get one of these and lay it down. And then on my insert, I make it work. So do that. Now, the next thing I like to do is lay my washi down. And I thought this week that this would be a pretty washi to use. It's got hearts and some pink in it. I'm going to lay it right here, but I'm going to get rid of this line just where it'll look a little bit better. So, I cannot believe it is already Valentine's week. This year is flying by. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because I never use it for notes. And I don't want to be able to see it through the washi. Okay, y'all, I had some technical difficulties. I have laid the headers in the glitter. So now what I would like to do is lay down the bottom washi. Let's see, it's the other one that I need. Let's see, lay this down. Okay, and I'm going to put it at the very bottom. Well, you can see through that, so I'm going to go ahead and erase the bottom. Okay. So the first question that we have is, what was your most romantic Valentine's Day? My guy, I love him and he's great and he loves me bunches, but he is not a romantic kind of fella. He is not a picnic under the moon and stars kind of guy. He treats me wonderfully, but that's just not him. I love it when he takes me out to eat. That when it's just us two, that I do like. The second question is, what does your spouse do to make you feel special? My husband makes me feel special every day. He loves me unconditionally when I'm not feeling good. He makes sure I have everything that I need. He's just a really super guy, and he's not a very patient man, but for some reason he's very patient with me, and I appreciate that so much. Okay, so I think I'm going to put my double box down here because I want to, let's see, before I do that, just so I know the space that I have, I'm going to put my, this will be for my exercise. I've been trying to do better this year about walking. I need to move around more, so I'm trying to do that. So this just kind of gives me an incentive here to check off. Okay, so now I'm going to put my double box down. I'm going to try to line this up with the top. Now the third question is, where did y'all go on your first date? I'm gonna have to be honest. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to pull this up too. I've done this wrong. Okay, I found this metallic pink washi that I'm going to use at the bottom. If I can find the... I don't know if I finished that last question. My favorite thing is how my husband loves me even when I'm not real lovable. He's good like that. And like I said, he's not a patient man. But for some reason, he has a lot of patience with me. And so I appreciate that. Okay. Stick that in there. And then we'll smooth this back out. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to put the flowers here. And the love here. Okay, I don't know what has been going on with my phone today, but I had a lot of technical difficulties, but this is how I ended up finishing my spread. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day.